Hello, my crafty friends. It's me, Lisa, the DIY Diva, and I am so excited to start decorating for Christmas. And I'm even more excited to share some tips with you for finding the perfect Christmas tree for your holiday decorating this year.
It all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby.
So let me start by showing you my Christmas tree that I got last year. I actually got this locally at, I think it's called the Home Store, and I thought I wanted a smaller tree, but this one was a little bit too small for my liking. So I've been on the hunt for the perfect Christmas tree, and I went to Hobby Lobby to check out the trees that they have, because right now all of their Christmas is 50% off. So they have a lot of different trees to choose from. They have short ones, tall ones, lots and lots of tall ones actually, but a lot of their Christmas trees are very expensive. For me, that's $299 is a little more than I wanted to spend, and $499 on sale was a lot more than I wanted to spend. And when I saw these snow flock trees, I really liked them. So I decided this year I want to have a flocked Christmas tree for my decorating. Now, if you don't know what a snow flock tree is, it's basically an artificial tree that has snow on it. And while I was getting ready to get a new tree, this company, VivaTrees, reached out to me to see if I would like to do a review on a couple of their trees. And I thought, this might be a really great opportunity, not only to get a new Christmas tree, but also to be able to share some options with you. I had never heard of VivaTree and I had never heard of Hykolity, but I was really interested. And after visiting their website and seeing the different types of trees that they have, I thought this might be a very viable and affordable option for a lot of people. So one of the first trees that I looked at was this Hykolity snow flocked Prelit Christmas tree. It comes in 3 different sizes: 6 foot, 7.5 foot, and 9 foot. And yes, it is pre-flocked, and they have lots of pictures showing what the tree looks like. But then I also found this Christmas tree. This is the Hykolity Prelit snow flocked pencil slim Christmas tree with color changing LED lights. It includes the metal stand, it has hinged branches just like the other tree, and what's really neat about this is it has 10 different color modes for the LED lighting. This tree is available in 6.5 feet, 7.5 feet, and 9 feet total height. So when VivaTrees asked me which trees I would like to review, I decided on these 2 trees. They shipped them very quickly. The boxes were in very good condition when I received them. And the Christmas trees come in 3 separate pieces. And just like the website said, it did include a metal stand for the tree. So before I start any project, I do like to read the instructions to make sure that I'm putting things together correctly. And for this tree, this is the full-size one. It came in 3 parts and it has the tree stand. They did package it really well. There is a lot of flocking material that is on this tree, which I really did like. So what I did was just take the bottom section of the tree and put it into the tree stand and then tighten it up. This is what it looks like when it's all down. Now you can see I do need to do a lot of fluffing for the tree, but I have to say the branches are actually very nice on this tree. One thing that I've noticed with the flocking though, it does tend to fall onto the floor. One tip that I can give you when you are assembling an artificial Christmas tree, if you wear a pair of gloves, it makes it a lot easier to really get the tree nice and fluffed out. Now to fluff a Christmas tree, all you have to do is basically move around all of the branches until it looks really full. And I found with this tree that the branches were very nice. They fluffed out really well, and there are a lot of branches on this tree, so there will be a lot of fluffing. If you spend a little bit of extra time fluffing it up in the beginning, you'll have a much prettier Christmas tree by the time you're done. So once I was finished with the first section, then I moved on to the second section of the tree. Now, these trees are pre-lit, and it's very easy to connect the lights in between each section of the tree. The tree branches themselves are hinged, so they fold down and really give you a full Christmas tree. Yes, it is an artificial tree, but honestly, I think it looks really pretty. Now, before I put the top section onto the tree, I find that it's easier to do the fluffing before you put it onto the tree. Then all I had to do was connect the last remaining set of lights, and now my Christmas tree is fully lit. And it is so pretty. After I had my Hykolity Christmas tree set up, I wanted to go back to Hobby Lobby and check out the flock trees that they had. Now, this was a 7.5-foot tree and it was $200, and it was okay, but I do think the Hykolity, I think it is a better quality tree, and the branches are definitely fuller. That was one thing that I noticed with a lot of the trees that I saw at Hobby Lobby is the branches were not nearly as full as the Hykolity tree. So this is a close-up of the branches on the different trees at Hobby Lobby, and while they do have the flocked parts, a lot of the parts that aren't flocked look a lot cheaper, in my opinion. Now, going back to the Hykolity tree that I got from VivaTrees, I think this tree is a lot nicer than the trees that I saw at Hobby Lobby. And this tree was actually less expensive too. And no, I don't have any decorations on my tree yet, but I am just so impressed with how full this tree looks, all of the branches, and I think the lights are really pretty too. Again, this is the warm lights on this tree, and this tree is 7.5 feet tall. So I was so excited after I set up the first Christmas tree that I had to see what this tree was like. So this is the 7.5-foot pre-lit snow flocked pencil slim tree with the color changing LED lights. Now, just like the other tree, it did come packaged very well. Each of the pieces of the tree were wrapped separately and protected very nicely. It did come with a tree stand, and I decided to set this tree up a little bit differently just to show you a different way to do it. There is no right or wrong when it comes to setting up your tree and fluffing it. So I decided to put the tree together completely before I started fluffing it. It was really hard to put the tree up without doing any fluffing. So I did have to remind myself a little bit, don't fluff the tree. Let's put it up, set it up so you can see what it looks like without any of the fluffing. I couldn't resist. I had to fluff the top section of the tree just a little bit, again, because it makes it a lot easier once the tree is up. Now you can see all of the flocking on this top section. There was a lot more flocking on these trees than there were on the trees at Hobby Lobby. I don't know if that's the same with all flocked trees, but if this is the standard for the Hykolity trees, I think they are definitely worth it. Look at how pretty that is. And I haven't even done the bottom layer fluffing yet. But you can see if you don't fluff the tree, this is what it's going to look like. So once everything was set up, then I did get to fluff it. Again, I have my gloves on because that makes it a lot easier. And I just did this section by section. I started out on the top of the tree and really fluffed out each branch of the tree. Now, once I had done some of the fluffing, I could not help myself. I had to play around with the different light modes that this tree has. And oh my gosh, they are so pretty. There are 10 different modes or lighting modes that are on this tree. And it's not just the warm lights, it's also colored lights. How fun is this? So you can have the nice, like soft, warm glow of the lights, or you can have colored lights. Or there's even alternating between the clear lights and the colored lights. This is so much fun. If you're looking for an affordable Christmas tree this year, I would highly encourage you to check out VivaTrees and check out these Hykolity Christmas trees because they are beautiful. On their website that they have just the plain Christmas trees, or they have the Prelit Christmas trees or the flocked Christmas trees. And VivaTrees has done something really special. They've given me a coupon code to give to you. You can save a little bit of money by typing in the code DIY Diva. You'll get 6% off your purchase. I thought that was so kind, so I really encourage you, go check out VivaTrees. I've also included a link down below to VivaTrees as well as both of the trees that I chose to decorate my home with this Christmas season. And like I said, I know this video is early, but it's never too early to start decorating for Christmas, right? And I would love to know what you think. Do you prefer a green Christmas tree or a flocked Christmas tree? Let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you check out VivaTrees, and I hope the little tips in this video will help you to get a jump start in your decorating for Christmas this year.